Today's CFOs need real-time insight, but banking integrations are slow, complex, and inconsistent. A global Treasury platform partnered with HTEC to replace its legacy, code-heavy connectivity with a faster, smarter, AI-powered solution. HTEC built a modern, AI-powered banking API integration platform. No custom code, just plug-and-play components that connect to any financial institution. The platform delivers instant access to balances, transactions, and payment capabilities across banks and ERPs. AI automates data mapping, creates integration diagrams, and even generates test data, cutting time, cost, and complexity. The result? One of the fastest, most scalable banking connectivity solutions on the market, powering over 1,000 organizations worldwide. Ready to unlock real-time financial connectivity? Let's build it together.
HTEC.